This is John with WTI. And this deodorant right here was the one that I used back in when I was in my 13s, 14s, and 15s. So this is the Avon On Duty 24-hour sport. And this was my savior back in the day. I remember I used to be a kid playing basketball. They go back to school in the class. And this guy here has always been a good protector. Now that I'm in my mid 20s, I just love that the formula stays the same. I'm using the same thing right now, and I'm still an active guy, so I do a lot of things, a lot of sports, walk a lot. Just having a nice deodorant that is not gonna make any stains, because that was a problem that I was getting recently. I was getting a lot of stains in my shirts, or the whole fabric will get messed up due to the formula of the deodorant. This right here, no problem at all. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.